Hi, my name is Ken Watson here in San Diego. We had 8 windows installed throughout the house, a large picture, sliders, as well as double hung. The team that came out started with Brian and Graham, who were the sales team. They were excellent, made me feel comfortable enough to go with the Genesis team. The installers came out as scheduled, and then they installed within 1 day. Felipe did a professional job. I had 2 questions throughout the process. It was about a 6-hour process. He was phenomenal. He answered all the questions, made me feel comfortable, and completed the job as he had stated. Sebastian was a project manager, phenomenal communications, kept me up to speed from the Windows due date to the installation date, and everything was met on time and very professional. The quality was outstanding. I would highly recommend them